make sure you stop what you're doing and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are informed of the next upload. And if you are not new here, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing my protective style. My hair is like, it's still damp, that's why it looks like this. I just came from the shop from doing my Olaplex treatment. So if you haven't seen that video, pause this one and go back to that next video and watch that one first and then come back to this one, okay? Because we are growing our hair, we want to protect it in the process. So I will be installing these Waterwave butterfly locks in 14-inch. This is a Mayde beauty braid. I don't know if I said that right, but this is what it is. I did not want too many locks in my head, so I only have 2 packs. There are only 18 locks in each pack. So I will be having a total of 36 locks in my head, or less. I don't know yet. Excuse me. So I'm about to part my hair up, and we're going to do the individual crochet method. So stay tuned. I'm just showing y'all how I am parting off my hair. I am using jam, and I have a mirror in front of me and behind me to help me with my partings. As you guys all know, 3 is going to be on this bottom row. As you can see, I am braiding first, then I start twisting a little bit, and my hair is so long I just put some jam on it, on the rest of it. I didn't even twist it all the way down because you really don't need to do that anyway. As you guys will see, I am taking my hair and I am folding it because it is so long. My hair is actually longer than the locks, if not the same length. I believe they were longer than the locks itself, so that's what I'm doing for all of my hair, just going ahead and folding it and putting it through the twist. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try to do this quick because I kind of ran out of storage, but so this is my hair. You guys see how long my hair is? It's really growing. So what I did was, yes, I went all the way to the root and crocheted that through so it could be shorter. And these are some jumbo ones, so it doesn't really matter if it look bulky or not, but it really doesn't. It blends right in. Then I take my hair and loop it through. Some of them I took the lock, and some of them I just took my hair. Just as long as it's secure, you know what I'm saying? It's not going anywhere. Then I take my spring twist hair, and the description will be in the description box below. I'm tired, y'all. It is late yet again. Nothing new. Alright. And then I'll just take this through the top, the base part. For these, I didn't want to do it through the braid because I like the thicker look because the parts are so big. Then you want to fluff out this hair and take your real hair, put it and hide it underneath that fluffy hair so that it won't show when you start to wrap. And then I wrap tight 1, 2, and then I just start going down the lock. I may try to do a butterfly effect, or I might just go down and then I'll lift it up and look on top just to see if my real hair is showing. I did this in a 1, the color 1. My hair is brown, so I will be able to see the brown if it was to show through. And then I'm literally going all the way down, just wrapping. Y'all, I did not use any glue. I ain't make no knots or anything like that. I just wrapped until I couldn't wrap anymore. And there you have it. I probably won't wear them down the middle. Y'all, I thought they were going to be short. This is 14 inches. Still too long. I should have did a 10 or a 12. two packs, and I have 36 locks in my head. So, you know, I can't wait to be able to do the half up, half down. You know, that's everybody's ish. You know, real cute or whatever. I like that. Let's go side part. Ooh, I did this side really tight. But I guess that's cute. Could have been good. Yeah, that's not really right now. I can't wait to put it all up in it. Ponytail or bun or whatever. Yeah, this side ain't bad. This side ain't bad at all. This is that early side. And you know, I still feel like this is a lot of locks. Like, my hair is done, guys. Let me give you a 360 opinion. I will be having this in for a good month. Okay. Alright, y'all. I am about to go to bed. I'll play with more styles later on, maybe in the morning, maybe not, because I work. So this weekend. But yeah, I ain't gonna do this anyway. Probably won't post. But anyway, I am rambling. If you guys have made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so very much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So this was the end result. I wore it up like this a couple times when I went out, you guys. I loved it like this, but it was still so long. So I continued to cut on it and style it differently. Here's another clip of how I styled it. I really love these. And this is how short I ended up cutting them.